Sup Tank Nerds, Lottie here again. This is our Friday update for everything that we've been doing. I am of course filthy. We've been doing a lot of cleaning. Good news, first up. I have officially fixed the turret. So we have full elevation and traverse under power. So very happy about that. Means yeah, when we take it out next, we will have full stab. Fingers crossed. They're very finicky and whatever have you. But yeah, really happy about that. If you want to see the video from yesterday, it'll be in the shorts category in YouTube. So if you're wondering where yesterday's video was, it was in the shorts. So yeah, I do try and make a video a day. If you don't see one on the main feed, it'll be in the shorts. So check that out. On to what we've been up to. We will flip the camera around. As you can see, lots of stuff and a lot has changed. So we've been spending pretty much all day for the past 2 days cleaning everything meticulously, starting with our camshafts. We've cleaned them up. We now have a complete A bank and a complete B bank. They're almost functionally identical, except the B bank, besides the timing mark, has the drive for the tachometer. So that's the easy giveaway. Of course, they are all marked as well. A bank and B bank. Oh, no. Where does it say that? That one says it. B, there you go. So yeah, A bank and B bank, that is all done. We had to go through quite a lot of bits and pieces. The rest of them are over here. So this is all the stuff that we decided was not good enough. Try and pull one out. Just a second. You can look at that. These are the rails that we're not using. Fun little fact for you, they are thinner than the other ones. Why? We're not entirely sure, but it is a fact. So it goes to show that regardless of what it says on the box, they are not always the same. So these are the tappets we've decided to throw away. Well, not throw away, but not use. For one reason or another, either they're just more worn than we would like, or more worn than the others. Or the oil galleries are blocked up. This one's actually pretty good, but there were better ones, so it lives in the off-end pile. But yeah, as I was explaining, these are actually skinnier than the other ones. So the sleeves inside of these, pop one out. These are machined ever so slightly differently. So we had to be very careful about that, but we've assembled it all and there is no issues. So yeah, but these ones, we're not going to bother with them. We have all the good stuff that we want. So back over to our good stuff. So these are complete. We're happy. There is absolutely no sideways movement in any of them, and they turn over. Well, they're zip tied up now, but they turn over quite nicely. So these are a very precision fit, We're very happy with that. Moving on to our heads and bodies. We cleaned all these up quite nicely. These are combustion chambers, these are the valves. Really nice. They came up without too much fuss, really. So very happy about that. These will work quite nicely. Another thing that we noticed, on these heads, there are two water seals. On the old ones, or the other ones I should say, they've actually blanked one of them off. So there's only one water seal per cylinder. I thought that was very interesting. And you can see on these heads, they haven't even bothered to drill them. Sorry, on these bores, they haven't even bothered to drill them. So again, more. These are both, this one and this one, they are both Mark 4B Merlin Meteors, and yet we keep finding all these little differences, despite the fact that they should, for all intents and purposes, be the same thing. So that's been an interesting little learning experience. Of course, they are functionally identical. It's just all the little bits and bobs that you got to be careful for. We have discovered that the seals on these are different to the ones here. Actually, I can show you that next. So these are the seals. They're a single bit of rubber O-ring just sort of squished in there. And these are a shallower cut compared to these ones. So we've been using these ones. Make this out of the way. Ooh, shiny. So I've been cleaning up all of these. They'll have 4 O-rings on them when we're done. And we're gonna get rid of that crap. So yeah, these are the seals that we're gonna need. And they're all good. And these have come up quite nicely. You've of course seen my work on the rings over there. Sorry, the barrels, I should say. And yeah, the pistons here are great. Bores. Getting all my words mixed up today. But yes, these are looking really good. We're just finishing up on the second head now. It's looking really nice. They were absolutely black, full of carbon when we started. So that's it's good. Next up on the list, gotta clean these up, make new gaskets for them. Nothing too difficult. Again, it's really just tedious little work cleaning everything up. So it's perfect when it comes time to install it all. So yeah, that's been really good. But I am very, 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 very happy with the way the turret on the Centurion turned out. It took a little bit of crawling around upside down, checking all the wiring, fixing everything, but now we have full elevation under power, and I cannot wait to take it out and show you guys just what it's capable of. Actually makes me regret that the gun doesn't work, because this would be a really good demonstration vehicle if we had that running. Unfortunately, not allowed to, so that's a bummer. I think that is the long and short of what we've been up to in the past couple of days. We of course have a lot still to go, so this is the to-do pile, for lack of a better word. Actually, we're going to be taking this one off, I do recall. The gear in here is missing from the one over there, so we actually have to use this one. This is for the starter motor, by the way. So yeah, absolutely wonderful. So yeah, quick little rambly one today, but yeah, we're quite happy. I'll put some shorts out over the weekend, so if you want me to cover anything, I can even answer questions when I'm not here, so I might decide to do a weekend video from home or whatever have you. Ask questions, leave a nice comment, like and subscribe, all that jazz. It does great for the algorithm, and yeah, I will see you on the next one. Bye.